Hello and welcome. Discover the ultimate essential oils set featuring 40 different 10 ml bottles for all your aromatherapy needs. Each oil is 100% natural, sourced globally from places like Australia, France, and Brazil to ensure premium quality. Perfect for diffusers, humidifiers, massage, skin and hair care, plus DIY candle and soap making. The oils come in amber glass bottles that preserve freshness and maintain a long-lasting fragrance. This versatile set is ideal for use at home, in the office, or at the spa, offering unique scents like lavender, peppermint, rose, and more. Presented in a beautiful gift box, it's perfect for gifting on any special occasion. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.